So here's how to update NVIDIA graphics card drivers. So first you'll need to make sure that you have the NVIDIA app. If you don't, you can simply open the browser and search for NVIDIA app and then click on the first link. Make sure you click on download now and install the app. Now once the app is installed, you can simply open it. And then on the left top side, you'll see this bar. Click on drivers, and then you should see any updates available here for the GeForce Game Ready driver, which is this one here. Click on download, and once it's downloaded, you should see install button. You can click on install to proceed to install. Now this driver is specifically for gaming. Now, if you're not gaming with the PC, you can click on this drop down on the top here and choose Studio Driver. This is for creators. And then you should simply see the NVIDIA Studio Driver here. Then you'll be able to download it or install if it's already downloaded. Now, keep in mind that you can only install one driver, not both. So in this case, we're going to install GeForce Game Ready driver. Click on install. You'll be prompted. Click yes. And then choose Express installation and continue. And this should start installing the driver. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.